Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Zaman Ashraf. I welcome you all in heterocyclic chemistry. Today, our topic is thietane. I will discuss the general structure of thietane, the ring strain and stability of thietane, and the methods which are used for the preparation of thietane and its chemical reactivity. So let's start with the structure of thietane. Thietane is a 4-member heterocyclic compound which contain sulfur as a heteroatom. We know that this sulfur, because of the presence of this sulfur and 4-member ring, if this is planar, then hydrogen eclipsing is present, and to decrease the hydrogen eclipsing, this thietane is puckered shaped like that. So this puckering, it decreases the hydrogen eclipsing, which results in increase of stability of this thietane. When you compare the stability or reactivity of thietane and thyrane, thyrane is a 3-membered heterocyclic compound which contains sulfur. So this thietane, it is more stable as compared to thyrane. The preparation of thietane, it involves from gamma halo thiols. We have SH, this is alpha carbon, beta carbon, gamma carbon, and here halogen, suppose Cl. This is alpha, beta and gamma. In the presence of base catalyst, this base, it helps in the removal of this HCl. So this lone pair, it attacks at this carbon and Cl is removed, and we have our product 4-membered heterocyclic compound having sulfur atom, और यहाँ आपके पास HCl जो है वो रिमूव होगा. या आप इस जो है वो गैमा हेलो थायोल का अगर आप एसिटाइल डेरिवेटिव लें, it also helps in the synthesis of this thietane. Suppose we have S, C double bond O, CH3, and here we have Cl. So this is acetyl derivative of this gamma halo thiols. It also reacts with base catalyst. This base, it attacks at this carbonyl carbon, and then this bond attacks at this carbon. Cl is removed, and we have 4-membered हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड थाइटेन, और साथ आपके पास जो है वो दिस CH3 COO नेगेटिव, और आपके पास ये जो है वो Cl नेगेटिव प्रोड्यूस होगा, और साथ जो है वो इसका इस बेस का केटाइन होगा. सो दीज टू मेथड्स दे आर यूज फॉर द प्रेपरेशन ऑफ दिस थाइटेन. अनदर मेथड इज फ्रॉम 1,3 डाइहेलो alkanes. Suppose we have here we have Cl, तो 1, 2 and 3. यहाँ आप जो है वो Cl ले लें, या आप इसकी जगह जो है वो Br भी ले सकते हैं. We know the reactivity of alkyl halides towards this reaction, और आप इसका रिएक्शन कर लें sodium sulfide या potassium sulfide. So reaction of this 1,3 dichloro or dibromo alkane with this sodium sulfide or potassium sulfide, it results in the formation of thietane, and we have 2NaCl in case of Cl, or Br in case of bromide. ठीक है. So but the yield of this reaction it is not better if we use thiourea. अगर आप जो है वो thiourea use करें, then yield of this reaction it can be improved. Suppose you have this Cl, CH2, CH2. अगर आपके पास जो है वो ये कंपाउंड है और इसको आप रिएक्ट कर दें HBr के साथ, then we have CH2, 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 Br, and here we have Cl. So again it is 1,3 dihalo अल्केन, और आप इसका रिएक्शन जो है वो थायोयूरिया के साथ जो है वो कर। So this lone pair, it shifts here, and this bond it removes this Br. This reaction, it is base catalyzed. So here we have Cl, CH2, 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 and here we have S. This S, it is attached with carbon, NH2, NH2. This nitrogen is positively charged. Then base, it attacks at this carbon, and this bond, it removes this Cl, and we have thietane plus NH2 COH and NH2 पॉजिटिव। और फिर जो है वो यहाँ से आप ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा बाई प्रोडक्ट यूरिया प्लस वाटर, क्योंकि ये रिएक्शन आप बेस की प्रेजेंस में जो है वो कर रहे हैं। सो दिस मेथड इट आल्सो यूज फॉर द प्रेपरेशन ऑफ थाइटेन, बट दिस टाइम व्हेन यू यूज्ड दिस thiourea and this intermediate is formed, thiuranium intermediate is formed, which results in the better yield of our product thietane. Chemical reactivity. So thietane, we have discussed that it is more stable as compared to thyrane and is less reactive. This thietane ring opening reaction of thietane in the presence of nucleophile, it never reacts with ammonia or a means to give ring opening reaction, but this thietane it reacts with electrophilic reagent like alkyl halide के साथ इसका जो है वो रिएक्शन होगा। इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिंग ओपनिंग। This thietane sulfur being a nucleophile, it reacts with CH3Cl or CH3I. Methyl iodide attacks at this carbon and I is removed. So sulfur, it will become positively charged when it forms 3 covalent bonds, and presence of this positive charge at sulfur, it decreases the stability of this ring. Then this iodide attacks at this carbon and it results in the opening of this ring. Then we have S, CH3, then we have CH2, CH2, CH2 और I. ये आपके पास जो है वो रिंग ओपनिंग इस जो है वो थाइटेन की होगी इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस electrophilic reagent, and also oxidation of this sulfur. This sulfur, it is oxidized into sulfoxide and then sulfone. We know that because of the presence of d orbital, it has इसकी जो वैलेंसी है आप +4 भी जो है वो देखते हैं और +6 भी. So in the presence of H2O2, this thietane it is converted into फर्स्ट सल्फोक्साइड, या आप इसे कह सकते हैं थाइटेन 1 ऑक्साइड, एंड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ मोर हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड दिस सल्फर इज फर्दर ऑक्सीडाइज इनटू सल्फोन. ठीक है, या आप इसे जो है कह सकते हैं थाइटेन 1,1 डाइऑक्साइड. सो दिस इज द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ सल्फर. ये उसी तरह का रिएक्शन है कि अगर आपके पास जो है वो डाइअल्काइल सल्फाइड हो तो आप इसे जो है वो सल्फोक्साइड में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, और इसको आप ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप आपने जो है वो पढ़े होंगे. सो दिस इज सल्फाइड, दिस इज सल्फोक्साइड एंड दिस इज सल्फोन. सो सेम इज द केस विद दिस thietane. Because of the presence of sulfur, this sulfur is converted into monoxide, sulfoxide, and then dioxide, sulfone. Okay, so and also this thietane it undergoes polymerization reaction in the presence of acid catalyst. So this is all about the general properties preparation and chemical reactivity of thietane. In my upcoming lecture, I will discuss the another 4-member ring which contain nitrogen as a heteroatom. Thank you very much.